Hey guys, we've been walking in this like a mud lake for a long time. Dude, the mud is deep everywhere. It's crazy. Look at this dude. He's like skating on the fucking mud. This is crazy. This is the same place I made the other video on where we walked in this like little pond, but this is way better. Like we walked around the whole thing like twice, as you can see all the fucking footsteps. Pretty crazy. But look at our boots. Like, dude, it's crazy, man. Same. Here, let's go over on the little deeper. Bro, this is pretty crazy. Look at our footsteps. They're probably gonna be so confused, like the workers. Crazy, guys. Wow. Here's a deep area. This part's probably gonna be even worse. Look how big the area down here is. Yeah, there's more water here for sure. Let's try it out. We're just gonna be walking on this the whole time. This is not that bad.
Hey, this is bad.
How?
This kind of suck. This is a big suck.
Yeah, I agree. Little tunnel view. Pretty cool, guys. That's gonna be it for this video. Subscribe.